Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Ritu and today we are going to understand about cloud computing. This video might get extended to several other parts, so let's get started. So what cloud computing is? Cloud computing has become the most significant force in the world of technology in the past few years, and obviously that is for the good reason. Cloud computing provides the ability to do much more with much less cost and ability to change the technology and thus the business solution in much more efficient and agile way. We will learn about what cloud computing means, including types and models and typical business uses of the cloud. As an overview, cloud computing is basically leveraging the pools of computing resources to minimize cost and maximize the compute efficiency. Here is why cloud computing is a game changer in business. So, in the past, hosting an application and data at an enterprise level means renting or building a huge data center in space to house the millions of rupees worth of hardware and software. But now we have an affordable and powerful on demand options in the form of cloud computing platforms. Cloud platforms provide the ability to leverage remote system on demand over the open internet, ability to pay for only the resource that you use, ability to scale up and down as needed. It's an evolution, or it uses two concept, that is time sharing and distributed computing. So time sharing allows user to share computing resources for a large system, and distributed computing decentralizes computing resources and share workload among many computers across the network, which could be present in the same room or completely different geolocations. Now, what are the characteristics of cloud computing? It is on demand and self service. It means use it when you need it, and you can launch the resources from the admin portal or the script. So it has a network access, so you can connect via an internet. It utilizes the resource pooling concept, so your computing storage or other infrastructures which are used and released when you are done for others to use. It features rapid elasticity, so you can scale up and down very quickly, and it is pay per use. It means that you are going to pay for the resources you have used. So cloud comes in five deployment models, which is private, public, community, and multi-cloud and hybrid. So we are going to read about this in later part of the videos, and it has three delivery models, that is SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. So ultimately, as an overview, the main advantage of cloud computing is to allow you to pay for the resources that you need when you need them, and no need to purchase hardware and software ahead of the demand. That is the main use case. Let's understand other things deeply in later part of the video. Thank you.